Again? Right, we're cooking this week. Wait, hang on. I hope you all went outside and clapped last night for the appreciation of all our essential workers and the NHS. Right, tonight we're gonna. Oh, do you like the hair? I had my hair cut by my daughter Lauren as well. Anyway, tonight we're gonna make satay chicken. So on the sheet I've put on, if you cut your chicken breast into little strips and then I've marinated them and put them on sticks, so you can probably do that. You can get sticks like this in most supermarkets now. They come like this. So you just skewer your chicken. And so the best thing to cook this on is a pan with some griddle marks because it makes nice pans. So we just need a bit of oil in there. I'll grab some oil. Put some oil in there. So oil. And then put them in. So then just wait for the oil to get hot. So if you've got too much oil, just pour it out into either a bowl, or I need to use my wok later, so I'm going to pour some in there. Save that heating up. So, okay. So we're going to put them on, this real nicely. So this dish, this dish either can be served as a starter, like I said, or a main course. So we're doing it as a starter today. I'm just going to put this in my sink. Okay, so we put them these nicely. It's probably best to use tongs. So wait for those to cook, and I'll heat this up. Okay, wait for that to heat up. Or, if you don't want to use chicken, you can use prawns. I prefer some prawns. So basically I'll put some turmeric in. So I'll put some turmeric in, salt and pepper, a little bit of sesame oil, of course some Shaoxing wine, and a little bit of dark soy sauce just to give it some colour. Or you can use tofu. You can cut them up into blocks and then skewer them and cook them the same way. Okay. So while that's cooking nicely, we need to prepare our vegetable base, like our garnish, to make the dish look pretty. So I'll heat some oil up in a pan. So our base is usually, basically we just want crunchy stuff to go with it. So we can put some carrots in. So that gives nice vibrant colours. Some onion, because that's tasty. Red and green peppers. Red green peppers. Plus I do ready steady cook. I wonder if I give what's his name a call. There you go. So we stir that around. So lovely colours there. Alright, these are cooking quite nicely. So we can turn these over. So look, oh lovely. There you go. So what else can we put in? Cucumber's nice. So we put in some cucumber. So basically whatever you can find at home, just put them in. So we just cook those off so they're still a little bit crunchy but warm through. Okay. And then we can put our prawn ones on. They don't take as long, so we can put them in after the chicken. But if you've got, fussy, they just cook them in a different pan. Okay. Traditionally, they would do this on a either charcoal barbecue on the street side. A vendor would do it on the charcoal and it'd be cooking away, and then you have this sauce and vegetables cooking away, and they serve it as street food. There you go, and some pineapple would be nice in there. Some pineapple, hopefully I'll open the right one this time and not crushed pineapple. Okay, lovely. So just to bring some sweetness into the dish. There you go. Okay. So these are cooking nicely. Turn the prawns over. Oh, they're cooking nicely. So these ones are tiger prawns. They start off grey and then they go to white as well. So if you push down on the meat, if they're still going sizzle sizzle, that means there's still liquid in there and it's not cooking, so they just need a little bit longer. Okay, so we just cook those slowly. So these vegetables are done now, so these just need serving up onto a nice dish. Bring one over here. There we go. So nice vibrant colours, put them in the centre. And then, while we're cooking, still cooking the chicken and that, we can cook the sauce. So again, a little bit of oil. So some garlic. So I'm using jarred garlic this time, or you can use fresh. Put that in the middle. And just get some flavour into the dish. And just keep an eye on. Just turn them occasionally. Okay, so your garlic don't burn, just a little bit of smoky flavour. Okay, and then we use this satay. So we got yawns, but most supermarkets will serve satay. So a couple of spoonfuls of that. And jimmies. So we'll mix two together, so I'm just going to get another spoon. So it's Jimmy sautés and Neon sautés, so a mixture of both. Nice thick sauce. Some Shaoxing wine. Right, the sauce itself is quite salty, so I haven't added any extra salt because I've seasoned the meat. So yeah, so add a little bit of water. Ooh, nice. Right, just waiting for that to heat up. Last thing, if you want to make it a little bit crunchy, you can add some crunchy peanut butter in, or crush some peanuts in. So that'll just give it a little bite and crunchiness. So, doing okay. Ooh, lovely. So, there we have it. The last thing we put in is some coconut. You can either put coconut butter in, give it a nice coconut flavour, or you can use coconut milk, entirely up to you. There you go, just wait for the butter to melt, give it a nice thick sauce. So it was a bit too thick, just add some more water. If it's a bit too thin, just add some corn flour. I think it's okay now, so. So just waiting for the butter to melt. Just check on my chicken and prawns. Well, if you're worried about the chicken, you can always get a pair of scissors or a knife and just cut through just to see this white through. So if you come over here, oh, that's perfect, look. The chicken is completely white, so that's cooked through, so that's ready. So we can put that on our plate. So, 1, 2, 3. Our prawns have turned to white, so that's ready. Wow. So if you want to spice it up a little bit, because it's a Malaysian dish, you can put some chili powder in. So you can use this, add some chili powder. Right, let's serve these up. Wow, lovely. So there we have it, Satay king prawns and Satay chicken skewers. You can either dribble the sauce on top. Wow. Put my name on. Or put some sauce in a bowl and have a bowl as a dip, like this. And serve the sauce on the side. Or you can take the sticks off, cook the meat first, take the meat out, put it all back in and have it as a stir fry. So let's come over here. And there we have it. And then you just either sprinkle some ginger on as garnish and some spring onions if you want. Excuse me. Some spring onions. Okay. There you go. Satay chicken skewers and king prawns. Enjoy. There you go. Lovely. Thank you.